Can you talk? Tell me your stories you were just telling me. Tell me the stories for Nana. Oh yeah? I know. She's very strong. I'm very strong in my body. Look at me. You're a strong girl. Did we just go for a walk with Woody? Yes, we did. You love your walks. Tell me. Did Pal join us? And Ralphie? Yeah, they sure did. Are you happy? Is Mom trying to have lunch? I'm trying. I'm trying to keep you amused so I can have some food. Yes, I am. Oh, good. Hey, I know. You love your dad, don't you? And your mom. And Woody. Yeah. Don't forget about Grandma and Grandpa, Nana, Cooler. Oh. Yes. Yeah, so deal.